Hello and welcome to another Multimakes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, so I realised last time the only obvious exterior part that we're missing off windows is, any suggestions? Yes, exhausts. Let's do some exhausts. Right. What I've also noticed is, can't really tell on that one, but if you look at this one, as I thought, they are the flared at the edges. And what I'm thinking also, from what we can see here, I had a feeling they are just, that's the exhaust box, isn't it? All those four just merge into the one, which go down. It's a bit of a cheat, that. What's that? All four pipes coming down. Looks a lot of bolts in that, isn't there? So how do I do this? See that one there, they aren't flared at the edges. So which one do I do? What we could do is we just create these basic ones and then flare the edge. Easy enough. Right. Let's go. 3. Just looking at this again, for some reason it's caught my eye. Right. What was that? Ghosts. So I reckon if we just do it with a Bezier curve, we'll have fun there. Right, so go to 7. And we don't need engine yields on, I suppose. What shall we create it in the engine? Because it is engine, isn't it? Yeah, we'll do it in engine. Right, so engines highlighted, so shift 8, we shall add a curve. Bezier. Hit the tab. There. This guy over here. Ooh. Weird things these, aren't they? Scale Y. Oh. Scale. That's highlighted, do a GX. Shorten them down. Makes it less crazy. GX. Scale X. Yeah, that'll do that also. You can highlight both of them, just do a scale X and forms it down. Scale Y, will that work? Yes, nice. Right, from here. Come up here like that. Then remind yourself where they actually were. So they need to be past the door, of course, otherwise the door would collide with them. Let's do the front one first. That back one, just kind of over the wheel arch. 3. Just want the front one. 3 again. Do the extrude Z. GZ for that one. GX. select all of them, do a GX. Right, how far does it lean back? Not too much. Rotate X. Just line that up. So that meets the line. And object properties for this. Right, geometry. It's the bevel, I believe. So, in this one, how about 0.1 is maybe huge. Oh, can't have exhaust like that. 0.5. 0.02. Good. BX, just line up that one again. Too low. Intersecting with the leaf springs by a look. Nope, they're not. It's miles away. You crazy. Right, so does it? How far up does it go past this vent? Not too bad actually. Is it just a little bit more? Right. To extrude X. Rotate Z 90 degrees. Move it down. Create a corner. Then extrude Y. So now we need to in that just Shift D and Y. Tab down a little bit. Shift D Y. A little bit. And Shift D Y. Bring this a little bit. And then realize it doesn't quite back as far as we expected. That due to the size of them, do I think? Maybe more spaced out slightly more than we have here. So with that one selected, and all the way back here, this guy, do a halfy, and then this one halfy also. That field. Got me. Now, see, now this one's inside the leaf spring there. Ooh. Ooh. 2, 4. See this picture here? I think that's just because the leaf spring's higher up there, isn't it, by the looks? feel like it looks like it curves out, you know. Where's them shiny nice ones? Oh, didn't help. Maybe it's the edge. Well, yeah. So that is 1, 2, and 2, and 3. Yeah, you get it. 4. Just adjust these to whatever looks best, I suppose. Make sure it's not intersecting any geometry anywhere like that one is. Few seconds. Let's have a see how steep this corner is. Um, be nope. Add in another subdivision. So how about so from 1, yeah, pull them down like that. Just tighten up that corner. Put it in there as well. Do that. Still feel these need to come out. You want rotate individual. Hit Y. Roll on them. Right, so just leave them all separate for now, but what we'll do is, I'm not sure if this is going to work. Oh, you can. It's on. Alright. Alright. Last one. Mirror. Pick the wee one. Are they too thin? I think they're too thin, aren't they? Yeah, too thin. So each one again. About a 0.03. 0.25. 0.25. I know they've got no thickness to them just now, but oof, that's my shoulder. Yeah, do with them going up into the engine bay. Yes, we somehow have an engine bay now. Alt and tab switches you in. Dang, never. It's like in render view. Bing. Should we try them in darker colour? How about we've got a metal iron on them? Not too much. I feel like I need another light in here. Any difference if I bring it down? No, because the light's hidden. Tell you what, that's looking good, isn't it? Sorry, sitting here admiring me work. Hopefully yours is looking good also. Don't forget to Control S, save, and I'll catch you in the next one.